Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candy, and today I'm coming to you with a vlog. I actually just woke up, so in case I sound like a man, that's why. I'm just gonna try to vlog the last couple days of the week because you guys asked for more vlogs on my Instagram, so I'm gonna try to deliver that for you. I want to try to do at least like one planned out video and then one vlog a week, so that I'll make 2 videos a week so I can try to stay consistent. Yeah, I'm so tired right now. Like, it's past 11 and I don't understand why. I'm just so tired. I got a couple phone calls to make today. I'm gonna work on my class today because I'm still in school. So I think I'm just gonna make like a super late breakfast, or maybe just like a light little something just to get some food in my stomach. And then yeah, so I don't have too many things to do today. Me and my homegirl, we're gonna work on some content together today, and yeah, so just come along with me. And yeah, vlog day. Today is Thursday actually, so I'm probably just gonna be vlogging today, Friday, and of course the weekend, and I'll probably post this on Monday. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Do my hair really bad, so I'm probably gonna try to straighten it as well as I can. And then yeah, like I said earlier, I'm gonna make like a quick little light breakfast because I'm not hungry, but I'm like a little hungry. So yeah, those are the 2 things I'm gonna work on today, plus doing my business calls, and then getting ready to make this piece of content with my homegirl later. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So to the kitchen we go. What I'm gonna make for breakfast, I think my dog is messing around over there. Please don't bark at the dogs. Anyways, y'all, so I think I figured out what I'm gonna be making. I think I'm just gonna make like scrambled eggs, throw like some bacon in there or something. I'm on keto right now. The keto journey has been rough. Like, 1 week is keto, the other week is like, bitch, do what you want. But I know I can't do that. So I guess I'm just gonna kind of make me a little keto bowl or whatever this morning. But I just want it to be light. Fresh mushrooms, eggs, and then I'm just gonna choose like a meat to just throw in there. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm done making my little keto breakfast. Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming back to y'all. Yeah, I know I look crazy as fuck right now. Like, y'all wanted to vlog, y'all wanted to see what I be doing. I'm about to straighten my hair again because it rained for like 5 days straight in my city. As you can see, like, the back is kind of still a little straight and the front is fucked up. So I'm about to straighten my hair. But yeah, I ate my breakfast. It was really good. Let me see. I made some of my calls. I wish they just would have been a little bit more productive, but hey, you know, I'm just glad I'm just able to make these calls and, you know, get a little bit of productivity in. So yeah, I'm gonna straighten my hair because I have a content project that me and my homegirl working on for her. So yeah, I'm about to just get a little cute for that because I can't do this little half row, half perm. I cannot. So I'm about to just straighten my hair. I'll probably just, you know, insert a couple clips of me straightening it. But yeah, I mean, like I don't know. I've been like a little off. I just been feeling off like the last couple days, like body, mind, and spirit. I just been feeling off. Ooh, my hair look crazy, boy. My shit look crazy, goddamn. But all right, guys. So I'm about to work on my hair real quick. If y'all want more hair videos, I've been seeing y'all kind of like my hair reels that I do on IG and all that. If y'all want to see like a full length, like how I keep my hair, what I put in my hair, make sure you comment down below in this vlog. I'm about to get started, and yeah, I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished result of me straightening my head. Okay guys, so I'm done finally flat ironing my hair. What do you think? I'm still trying to get my edges right, boy. You feel me? I just wish this edge control didn't cake so much. But we in there. Looks a lot better than it did before. But yeah, I'm finally done, y'all, so.
I showed you the smaller the one that I got.